Hi, I'm Steven with National Fleet Products, and I'm going to show you our loading ramp today. This is a 1,300-pound loading ramp that has a unique feature. If you don't need the ramp every time you're going to use the van, we can easily get the ramp out of the way. Now you'll have full access to the back of the van without the ramp impeding your entry in and out of the van. Let me close it up and show you how easy it is to work. Just like that, the ramp's ready to go. It's very easy to lift. It only requires about 20 pounds. If you want to use it as a gangplank, I'll pin the hinge. And now we can use it to go onto loading docks or other vehicles or up on steps to avoid having to go to the ground and go back up again with whatever you're trying to move or load. These come in a variety of widths and lengths and weight capacities up to 3,300 pounds. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to go to nationalfleetproducts.com and check us out. Thank you.